I don't know what I'm doing. I'm struggling to keep focus on here. Don't know why that is. So here we are. Delivery has come. Big boy's knife. Do you know what? I think because I'm trying to film in steady. Right, let's see what we've got. Here we go. Let's see if we got what we ordered. Lumix S5ii. A couple of lenses, which I reckon is these guys here. And a bunch of stuff here. Strap. Battery. Cup holders. Should be a lens. Check that out in a minute. A 20 to 60 mil. Yeah, I used 50. But it's not even a cap cover. Where's the cap cover? Oh, it's in there. And this is the big one. And there it is. The Lumix S5ii. Right, so this is where I'm at. I've been making little videos for a while, just of my holiday stuff, and I quite enjoy doing it. Put my photos together. I used to use this thing here. This was my first big purchase back in the day, 10 years ago actually, this Hero 3 Plus. And it served a purpose. It's done some pretty good videos actually, over the years, but it just doesn't feel right. It's got no anti-shake thing in it, so a lot of my early footage is looking a bit shaky. So I started doing them with this phone that I'm using right now, and I got some decent footage with that. Not that long ago I upgraded to this guy here. He's pretty good. Action 5 Pro. Very impressed with him. And DJI, that's the make. And yeah, the trouble is, you can film with it, but you don't get any dimension. You don't get any, it's just flat. 4K video, fantastic quality. But if you want to take serious video and serious pictures and that, which I'm feeling like I want to get into, this guy serves a purpose, but he's limited. So what my aim is, oh, I bought this thing as well, because I thought that was quite a good idea at the time. This was a gimbal, which actually is really, really good. And so what my plan is, I'm going to do some reviews of my equipment. I'm going to give some reviews of this. I'm going to give some reviews of this gimbal. I've got some accessories here I bought as well, which are pretty good. I've got some DJI mics. I'm going to do some reviews of that. And I thought I'd up my game and I'd buy this thing here, which is my big investment. And that's come with a couple of lenses. We've got like this 50mm lens that does something, and I've also got this lens that came with it, which is a 20 to 60mm lens. And the truth is, I don't know what I'm doing, right? So you can watch my video, and as a complete beginner, that's where I'm coming from. I've got no idea at all. I've not even turned this thing on yet. Feels nice in my hand though. And I'm gonna try to do some video with it, and I'm gonna try to figure the settings out. And if you wanna join me and see all the mistakes I make, or all the successes I make, or how it goes, bad or good, you can feel free to watch, and we'll see how we get on. But otherwise, quite happy with that. Been waiting for it today. Been work this morning. Came in, got a notice when the delivery driver was going to come. Half an hour later, got a mess. So I'm gonna have to clean this up. Got to put dinner on. Wife's gonna come back in from work, and I promised to do dinner. And I've got to get it in the oven in 15 minutes. So yeah, let's see how we get on. Thanks for watching.